Perak. A state of breathtaking landscapes inviting you to uncover its beauty. From its iconic caves to the second longest river in Peninsular Malaysia, every natural wonder here is a sight to behold. Wonder awaits around every corner, with nature's beauty at its heart, taking your breath away. Whether you explore its majestic caves or embrace its serene landscapes, Perak offers an escape like no other. For those who savor the simple pleasures of life, Perak is a feast for the senses. Its vibrant markets brim with hidden gems, delightful flavors, and uniquely crafted souvenirs. Indulge in the local delicacies and let the enticing aromas of traditional kitchens guide you to an unforgettable culinary journey. From nature and adventure to shopping and food, Perak offers almost everything you could want, all in one place. From the rich history of its old mining towns to the vibrancy of its modern city, Perak still preserves the vibrant cultural architecture that makes it unique.